Hello, gratitude babes. Welcome back to Come Sit in Gratitude with me. This is season 2, day 71 of our gratitude practice. Go ahead and grab your journal, your beverage fuel of choice. I have my lemon water today. Let's get cozy and do our practice together. If you've watched any of my videos, you already know how much I love collecting evidence. That's what I like to call it, evidence. Every little manifestation, every unexpected blessing, every random deposit, every opportunity, every little wink from the universe, I collect it all in my gratitude is yummy journal because every single piece reminds me that my bigger, my most grander manifestations, not only are they possible, but they're already unfolding every single day, piece by piece. And today's gratitudes are exactly that, more beautiful evidence. My three gratitudes today are: I am so grateful that I received a total of $750 over the last few days without working, because it's proof that money does show up for me without any effort. It's another beautiful reminder that money can flow to me in so many different ways. And what really made me smile is not all of that money, not actually none of that money came from working. I didn't have to do a single day of work to receive that. I've been doing my robotic affirmation every day. I've been saturating every day saying that I am so rich, I never have to work again. And then, I look back over the last few days and realize I received about $750. None of it from like Uber. It's just all arrived without me working, just like handed to me. And I was like, $170, 100, I mean, $750 in 3 days. Like, that's incredibly amazing. It made me realize when I stop obsessing over how the money is going to come, or I stop trying to control how it is going to come, I just start noticing that, you know what, it's already coming. So no more controlling, no more trying to figure it out. I don't have to do any of that. And this is evidence of that. And so I'm choosing to celebrate that piece of evidence today. So thank you, thank you, thank you. My second gratitude is I am so grateful that my Uber earnings have been so fruitful as well, because they reminded me that I am fully supported. The universe is with me. And sometimes, the universe doesn't send you the finished manifestation first. It sends you the next right step. A few weeks ago, I honestly had no freaking idea what this season was going to look like. What would I have another job now? Would my business suddenly explode overnight? I didn't know. But what I did know was to keep following the opportunities, the little breadcrumbs that were showing up. And every time I've done that now, I've been supported. So it's reminded me that abundance isn't always about the destination. Sometimes abundance looks like the little bridge or the corridor you're waiting in that's carrying you there. And bridges deserve gratitude too. So that's the purpose of today's practice. I am so grateful that I got to see the Odyssey for the second time. Yes, last night I got to see the Odyssey. Well, Sunday night. This will post Tuesday likely. I got to see the Odyssey for the second time for free Sunday night, because I honestly enjoyed it even more than the first time. The first time I watched it, I was honestly just completely mesmerized by the cinematography, just like the moving picture. I don't know if anyone still says that anymore. The moving picture, like literal, and I'm saying that in the most literal sense. I was mesmerized by the moving pictures, actually. I didn't pay attention to any of the words or the story. I was just captivated by the film. Like the moving pictures. I can't say it any other way. Like the actual moving motion pictures. I feel like I was just so stunned by how beautiful it was. It was visually stunning. But this time around, I finally listened to the story, and I started thinking about how true that is in life. Like sometimes we experience something once, just to see it, right? And that was really the purpose of me the first, just to see it. And sometimes it takes us watching it a second time to really absorb it, to really know what the heck is going on. So that was me. And you know what? Sometimes our manifestations look like that too. Like they don't make sense until you look back, until you look at it again, until you get a second view. So it's worth it to revisit something before we truly receive what it's come to completely teach us. And I thought that was a really beautiful thing. So, yeah, those are my three gratitudes. Now that I've activated gratitude, I'm gonna hijack this beautiful frequency to propel myself into my dream life through my scripting as I am finishing up here. Then it's time to seal all of that in with my to feel activation, because manifestation is not just about what we write, right? It's also about what we choose to feel. After that, I'm going to finish the rest of my practice by setting my goals for the day and completing my high vibe morning checklist. And that will be the practice today, my loves. Thank you all so much for sitting in gratitude with me today. If this practice resonated with you, don't forget to like and hype this video, subscribe to this magical frequency if you haven't already, and leave a comment telling me one thing you're grateful for today. And don't forget your why. That is where the magic actually happens. And if you're ready to make this your daily ritual too, you can grab your own premium Gratitude is Yummy journal, beautiful just like this one, at gratitudebabe.com or using the link in the description below. I love you all so, so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.